Hello children, trigonometry exercise 6.4 fifth question. The angle of elevation on depression of top and bottom of lamp post from the top of a 66 meter high apartment are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of a lamp post. Second one, the difference between height of lamp post and the apartment. Third one, the distance between the lamp post and the apartment. So what is given? Given the angle of elevation and depression of the top and bottom of lamp post. Then another one is apartment. That is height of the apartment is 60 degree. Then angle of elevation and angle of depression is given. We should find 3. That is we should find the height of a lamp post and difference between height of lamp post and apartment. And the last one is distance between the lamp post and apartment. Okay. So listen carefully children. So this is the ground AB. So this I take it as apartment BC. Okay. So BC as apartment. This as this is the lamp post. This mark it as D. So AD is the lamp post. This is so this is E. Next 66 meter high apartment. So BC is equal to 66 meter. Next, the angle of elevation and depression is 60 degree and 30 degree. Top and bottom of the lamp post. So this is the lamp post. So this is the top of the lamp post and this is the bottom of the lamp post. So this is 60 degree. Next, angle of elevation 60 from the top of the apartment to the top of the lamp post is 60 degree, and the angle of depression means this is top angle of depression of the top and bottom of the lamp post. Okay, so this is 30 degree. So this also 30 degree. This distance is from the apartment and the lamp post. This I take it as X. Then the height of the lamp post, that is AD. AD is the height of the lamp post, that I take it as H. So this is 66. This fully is H. That is BC is equal to 66 means AE also 66. Therefore DE is equal to H minus 66. So first I take the triangle. In triangle, this one ABC. So in triangle ABC, tan 30 is equal to opposite. What is opposite? Opposite is BC. Adjacent side is AB. So BC is 66. AB is X. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. That is equal to 66 by X. Cross multiply means we get X is equal to 66 root 3. This I mark it as equation 1. Next I take this triangle CED. So in triangle CED, tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent. So opposite is DE, adjacent side is CE. So DE is equal to H minus 66, CE is equal to X. So tan 60 value is root 3. It is equal to H minus 66 divided by X. So X value is 66 root 3. So we cross multiply. 66 root 3 into root 3 is equal to H minus 66. So root 3 into root 3 means 66 into 3 is equal to H minus 66, implies 66 into 3 is 198 is equal to H minus 66. So H is equal to minus 66 come this side means it will become plus. So 198 plus 66, that is equal to 264 meter. So H means, what is H? H is the height. AD. AD means lamp height of the lamp post. So therefore we find the height of the lamp post. So height of the lamp post, that is equal to 264 meter. Next second one. What is second one? Difference between height of the lamp post and the apartment. So Height of the lamp post is 260 meter. Height of the apartment is 66 meter. So difference between means we should subtract these two answers. 264 minus 66, that is equal to 198 meter. Then third question. What is third question? Third question is distance between the lamp post and apartment. So lamp post and apartment is, we take it as already x, isn't it? So x means 66 root 3. So 66 root 3 means 66 into 1.732. We get the answer as 114.31 meter. Thank you, children.